Hello, it's different tech buds. I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the eppfun Qt Meet 300 ENC true wireless earbuds, which have just landed. So there's a lot going on here on the box. This is just a simple box like so, eppfun on top and bottom, and the name of the earbuds on the left and right. So what do these entail? So we've got a lot going on here. You've got unmatched slimness with good metal feeling, Bluetooth 5.2, Qualcomm aptX hi-fi sound, 2 mics for crystal clear calls, Qualcomm CVC 8.0 noise cancelling, 32 hours battery, 6 in the buds, 26 in the case, ultra low latency, 60 ms. You can use either bud on their own, which is good, so that's cool. You have IPX5 water rating, superior stereo sound, and that's pretty much it on the back. Doesn't seem to be an app or anything like that, which is fine. So just let's have a look at the earbuds themselves and see what we get inside. So here we go, just pop that out, and indeed it is very thin, but it's very weighty as well, which is really nice. So inside you'll get a little booklet, you get a little cleaning cloth as well, which is cool, and that's basically it. So I'll tell you how to use them, but we're going to go through that in the review. And of course we get a cable, USB-C, USB-A, so that's all well and good. So that's all there is in the box, nothing too exciting. It's a pair of earbuds after all. What more do you want? Let's have a look at these. Really nice case this is, and there's a nice bit of weight in it, as I said as well. So you've got your port in the usual spot there on the back, on the bottom. So you can see that charging issue there is not going to be your typical charging issue where the charging port is on top or on the bottom, but not underneath like that. You've got eppfun on the front there, and you've got your usual bits and pieces right there on the back. And when you open them up there, that's what they look like inside. You've got left and right, and you can see the earbuds there. Really impressive case. But first of all, let's see how strong the magnets are. Pretty good. Let's take them out and have a look. And that's basically what they look like there. You can see the branding on top, like an AirPod kind of style, which is fairly common today. And you can see you've got some sensors on the inside, so that would be for your connecting. And that's basically what it's going to look like there, as you can see. So I'm going to pop them back in, see what kind of lights we have. Close her up, and you can see it has got lights on there. So that's basically it, and a quick first look and unboxing of these earbuds. A pretty cool case, I'm really impressed with that. You can see kind of the sheen off it in when light hits at certain angles there as well, and the earbuds themselves. Very nice earbuds, nice and small and compact. Mightn't be everyone's cup of tea, but so far they look cool. And you've got that same effect on the earbuds itself as well, and you can see they are pretty small. So any questions, feel free to hit us up. In the meantime, while we test them out, we'll be back in maybe a week or two, and you can fire down below if you've got anything you want to know about them, and we'll answer you there, and we'll have a full review in about a week or two, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk to you then.